Hi everyone, my name is Rishad. Today is the 12th of May 2024. I'll be going over the weekly option chain analysis for the upcoming expiry on the 17th of May for SPX. So we can see that both CE and PE have gone up to 5,200. That's a positive. Quantity is high for CE, which is negative. The change is higher for CE, which is negative. The short squeeze is higher for CE, which is positive. PCR is very overbought, so that's negative. Implied volatility is lower, however, historical volatility is higher, so that's a positive and a negative respectively. However, the RSI is higher, which is positive. No divergence, that's also positive. ADX is lower, which is negative. ATR is lower, which is positive. Both EMAs are higher, those are two positives. VWAP is higher, that's positive. Pivot point is higher, which is obviously positive. Candlestick is higher, which is bullish, so that's positive as well. The support is 5,200. Last week's was 5,050. Resistance is also 5,200, and last week's, well, in this case, it was 2 weeks ago since I didn't make a video last week, was 5,100. Overall, I predict that the trend is going to be up based on this option chain analysis. So thank you for watching. Enjoy, and I will see you in the next video.